Hi guys, ArchieLuxury. Go to f2bbs.com. www.f2bbs.com. The last bastion of free speech on the interweb. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury, and today I have got a unboxing. This is a present that came to me. And it took a little while to get here, but it's this was a great guy, Simon from Thailand. He sent myself and Austin being Austin Daniels, the Rolex YouTuber. He sent me a nice vintage Omega, and what he said was, I just got back to my house. He lives in Korat, where I had left the watch. Tomorrow I'm shipping the watch. Hope it fits. He's got a 19.5. That's perfect. He said it was quite complicated to send it. That's a complex undertaking. Yes. I completely understand. Being in the middle of a deep, darkest Thailand, it took hours, but finally sent. Who knows how long. They're both interesting, solid state Omegas that feel quite nice. I have too many watches and cannot possibly wear them, so rather than get neglected, I thought I'll give them away. It's up to you what you do with them. Also, my eyesight is not so good anymore and cannot see the details. I don't think I will buy any more watches with dates, as I never bother to set them, or they're hard to see the chrono as I cannot see properly. I find white dials with dark hands the easiest to read. Happy Christmas. This is from Simon. Let's do an unboxing. And remember guys, if you've got any unwanted luxury goods, you can send them to the Pontiff. Look down below for the address, the P.O. box. Send them to ArchieLuxury and I will gladly accept. What have we got here? We got a wristwatch. There we go. Very cute. He's also sent me some ceremonial beads. And he also sent me, some pants, little boxing pants. Very nice. And he sent me some Thai icons, some very, very beautiful little icons here. These are little some icons, beautiful. Some little Buddhas there. Look at that little Buddha. Very good. They bring luck and tranquility into your life. So, yes. Very, very interesting indeed. So, whoops. I'll put them on my desk there. No worries. Beautifully done. And now let's get on to the unboxing of the Omega. The Omega. So let's have a look. Da-da-da-da. What have we got here? It's an Omega. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Da-da-da-da. Let's have a look. It's got an instruction book here. Tells me how to set the little critter. Thank you. And here we go. Da-da-da-da. It's an Omega Speedmaster. It's a Speedmaster. And I got to tell you, what an interesting watch here. Very interesting wristwatch indeed. It's an Omega Speedmaster. This is a Speedmaster day date. And I got to say, it's quite a nice looking. Oh, it's got a very, very nice hum to it when you wind this piece. Very beautiful. Look at that. So I got to say, Simon, thank you so much. And this watch does fit. Fits beautifully. Look at that. Beautifully. It fits perfectly. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. So I got to say, Simon, thank you so much for that there. It's in really nice condition. Nice original bracelet. It's got an integrated style bracelet. It fits me. It's in rather nice condition. And I got to tell you, it's a very cool Omega. Very cool Omega. Very, very cool indeed. So it's an Omega. Quite an interesting little piece this here. It's about 38 mils, I think. Quite a nice Omega chronograph, day date. And yeah, I'll certainly add that to the stash. So there you go. I have a chronograph was gifted to me. So yeah, that's a fantastic thing. If you've got any luxury goods that you don't want anymore, I will gladly take them. Luxury goods, I will gladly give them a home. That's actually quite cool. I'll give them a home. So I'm very chuffed. I'm chuffed to bits. What a nice thought. Thank you, Simon. I really do appreciate it. I believe Austin got his. Austin's was telling me he was very appreciative. And I got to tell you, man, it's not every day you get given a beautiful vintage watch. So thank you so much, Simon. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next one. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury. Who do I recommend for watches in Brisbane and Sydney? Vintage Watch Co. That's correct. Vintage Watch Co. in Brisbane Arcade in Brisbane and the Strand Arcade in Sydney. Vintage Watch Co. Brisbane and Sydney. Ronnie, I've known him since the late 90s. Ronnie is a top bloke. Luke is a great guy. Vintage Watch Co. That is who I recommend in Australia. Check out Vintage Watch Co. and the guys' amazing range of watches. They also do service and repairs. Vintage Watch Co. That is where the Pontiff goes. You know, some of my Pateks came from Vintage Watch Co. That's right, guys. Vintage Watch Co.